Eden, what book would you like to read?
Sky go. I got sky go.
What do you say?
Go.
You say please?
Peace. I got peace.
And what book do you want to read?
Sky go. I got sky go.
Go Dog Go?
Go. Sky go. Sky go. Dog. Egg. Skunk. Wow. Egg bite. Chichi, cause like scarce on eat just such why chichi. Why yoga.
What are they riding on, Eden?
Wow.
What are they riding on?
Squire.
Yeah, scooter. That's right.
Wow. Mine. Again! It's up. Again.
Where's the guitar, Eden?
Child.
Very good, honey.
Snake is spaghetti. Walk. Walk.
Where's the snow?
Snow.
Mm-hmm. And what are they riding on?
Geese.
Yeah, skis.
Wow. Egg a bite. Let's go. Stop. Now. Stop. Down. It's Nate. It's day.
Mm-hmm.
Joke. Night. 10. It said it's pay. Sheep is right.
That's right.
Dog.
Where's the dog that's awake in the picture?
Week. Baby. Sheep is night.
Get up!
Sky.
Time to get going. What's that? Is that a dog party? Where's the cannon? You're all done? The end? Now what book would you like to read?
A box.
Hmm?
A box is beat. A got speed.
You want to read Sesame Street?
A speed.